Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Aurora ticket. To begin, locate your unique ticket ID, usually found on the ticket itself or in your confirmation email. This ID is crucial for the next step. Ensure you have a stable internet connection if activating online. We will guide you through the entire process, from initial activation to successful redemption at your chosen event. Activating your Aurora ticket is the next crucial step. Navigate to the designated activation portal, which is typically linked from where you purchased your ticket. You will need to input your unique ticket identification number and some basic personal information. Double-check all entries for accuracy before submitting. A confirmation message or email will verify successful activation, so keep an eye out for that. With your ticket activated, redemption is simple. Upon arrival at your event or attraction, present your activated Aurora ticket, either digitally on your phone or as a printed copy, to the staff. They will scan or verify your ticket. Remember to also have a valid form of photo identification ready, as this is often required for entry verification. To ensure a seamless experience, here are some final tips. Always double-check the validity period of your Aurora ticket. Some tickets have specific usage windows. Keep your activated ticket safe, whether it's a digital version or a printout. If you encounter any issues during activation or redemption, do not hesitate to contact customer support for prompt assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.